Welcome to Video Creation University, how to create impactful, powerful educational videos to market your business. And more importantly, how to shine on those videos, how to let your personality and your charisma and your fun side show through. The whole point of making educational videos for your audience is to share a valuable message with them so you can genuinely help them. And when you help them, they're going to want more and they're going to want to learn more about you and they're going to want to become a part of your database, however you capture that information and however you stay in front of your audience. And so when you do that on a regular basis, that's how you grow your audience and ultimately can monetize your business. However, even though video is a phenomenal way to do it, most people are really scared. Most people have no clue. And that's not even the technical side of it and the production of it all. It's actually just, what is my message and how do I get it out there? So I wanted to create a comprehensive course that's going to allow you to understand those pieces and take away all the guesswork and really just start to finish and giving you all the recommendations. And that's exactly what this university is. It's here to take you through two pieces. Part one is the technical production and part two is the content production. So technical production is really all about filming, editing, and posting and all the logistics and the technical sides of those pieces. And then also the content production is about how to create great content, how to deliver great content with tips and strategies and pointers. It's so comprehensive. Each of my points and my examples, I give you video examples. I also have two complete demonstrations. One is on the external microphone and kind of the different options that we recommend there to kind of take the guesswork out of that so you can create an intelligent decision on what you want to use. And then the second tutorial is a top to bottom tutorial. And it's basically me going through the whole thing. And I do like a behind the scenes of filming and how I do it, how I select my location, the camera, the lighting, everything that I talk about in the PDF, and then I take you over to my computer. How do I transfer it from my phone to the computer? How do I edit it? How do I post it on Facebook, on YouTube, on a WordPress website? So it's pretty in-depth. I'm going to take you inside right now to give you a sneak peek of exactly what's in this course. All right, this is the Video Creation University PDF that you'll be receiving instantly when you purchase this. It's a 29-page PDF, and it's packed with not only great, obviously, tips and specifics on things. I really get in depth with this, but also it's for all of my suggestions and ideas and strategies, etc. I have a bunch of video examples as well. This also includes a 49-minute top to bottom demo where I go behind the scenes and basically show you from creating content, filming the content. I actually film myself filming the content so you can see it, the location in terms of how I select it using the lighting, how to transfer it to your computer, how to then edit it on your computer, then how to upload it to Facebook, to YouTube, and to a WordPress website, and some other really cool tips along the way. So it's really, really comprehensive. And I have another demo video that's about 15 minutes long, and it's about external microphone options. And I actually go through the options I talk about in the PDF, and I show you them live, and so you can get to hear the difference with or without them. So this is the actual PDF. This is the cover to it. And as you can see, if you go to the second page here, like I said, it's broken up into two parts. So first part is the technical production, filming, editing, and posting. So filming, it's everything from holding your camera, how to mount it, suggestions if you don't have a tripod or if you need a selfie stick, in terms of how to hold the camera so it films in widescreen, in terms of shooting location, in terms of where to look on the camera, which way to hold the camera, and then tips so that when you bring it into onto your computer, if you do any editing that way, to avoid a lot of frustrations that I've gone through along the way. This is all from experience, and so my hope is that it takes a lot of the frustration that I went through and makes your process a lot more easier and quicker, especially as you look to make more and more professional videos. And then of course the editing process in terms of the editing options, from very, very simple low cost ones to using different editing software. And then obviously there's the posting, and that's where I go to that top to bottom video where I really go through it in very in depth and show you step by step how to do it, especially if you've never done it before. And then obviously some tricks and tips on how to market it more effectively. And then the second part here is the content production, and it's 3 sections. So it's 10 magnetizing tips on how to keep your content, your video content, valuable and keep other viewers viewing. So the whole point is we want to make sure it's valuable. So here are some tips that are going to keep you doing that and keep people watching your videos. And then a lot of people have challenges in terms of creating content. So these are great, sweet ideas, 9 sweet ideas on how to create killer content. And then lastly is 8 fantastically usable content delivery strategies. Because I know a lot of people, when they look at the camera, they tend to just blank out and they don't even know their name. Never mind, letting their personality, come out and shine. So these are some different content strategies, different ones that I've used and seen other people use that you can find as you play with it. This way, you can deliver your content, but more importantly, show your personality and your charisma as you go along. Some tips are real quick and simple that you may or may not already know, but it starts with the basics, like how to hold your camera position so you get, a widescreen thing versus a, long, narrow picture with bars on the side. We talk about location and background with specific examples so you get an idea of what's good and what's not. We talk about sound and microphones, and this is that video I was talking about here, the external mic video, where I actually go through live and try the different options that I recommend, and so you can hear the difference from, let's say, just filming with your camera with a built-in microphone, like maybe a smartphone, and then using different microphone options there. I also give specific recommendations, and I give links to all these things as well. So, if you want to just listen to my recommendation and make the, go for it and just purchase it right there, the links are all there for you. So it takes all the guesswork out of it. In the second part, we go into content production, and this is vital that we understand these pieces, because without this, it's we can't deliver the content and we can't deliver it effectively. Here's a great example from the section how to keep your video content valuable and keep viewers viewing, and one called video length. And not only do I talk about some of the concepts and tips, but if you notice here with each of these bars here, there are links to live videos that I've done to give you an example of exactly what I talk about and how it actually works out. And then in the section, what the heck do I talk about? 9 sweet ideas on how to create killer content. I talk about all of the concepts, but also, again, give you video examples. This is the top to bottom demo video where I go through everything from filming to editing to posting live. So I take you into my office and let's go through this together. I talk about the scene in terms of how to select your location with where the window should be, etc. I show you how to set up the video using a tripod or whatever you have, and also give you recommendations in the PDF of what you can use. Then once it's there, I talk about the scene and what to look for, how to set it up properly, the things I think about as I prepare and get ready and develop content. Then I actually deliver live content, and I film a video, show you how I actually think of the content, I present it live, and I use that to develop the rest of the video and show you how to edit and produce it and post it online. In between takes, I talk to the camera and tell you my mindset and some philosophy and some awesome tips on what I think about while I'm doing this. I then take you to the phone before I upload it to bring it to my computer and show you how to do some simple trimming and editing. Then I show you how to upload the file and get it to your computer. I go through some simple editing features, not teaching you all the super details, but how to do some basic editing, using some great features to make your video look a lot more presentable and professional. Once it's done, I actually show you how to upload it to YouTube, and not only do that, but some of the basics that are going to make it more search engine friendly and to optimize it online as well. I teach you about what tags to put into the description and tag area on the YouTube channel that are going to help people find your video more. I talk about video thumbnails, how to post on different networks directly from YouTube, just by publishing it on that one platform. Then I take you to Facebook and show you how to upload it directly to Facebook and optimize it as well. Not only that, but how to create buttons on your videos where you can add a link at the end of your video to send them to your website or whatever link that you're looking to send them to. As you can see, I go through step by step. Then I take you to the WordPress blog and show you not only how to post it, but how to optimize it between that and your website so you can capture your leads better. I'll show you specifically on my website some of the things that I do and why I do them that help people join my private Facebook group or subscribe to my database. Because without lead capture, you're not going to build an audience. Then I go through step by step how to embed the YouTube codes, also some special things and some special code you can have to make your videos look better and more professional. As you can see, there's a lot of great information. So all you need to do at this point is click the button down below and check out. And once you do that, you're going to receive the course via email. So check your inbox so you can get started right away.